Now, Ninad, you have completed the program and you've been a very good student. You're committed to all the tasks. You've done a wonderful job in completing all the tasks in the program, and I do see the transformation that has happened in you. Now, from your perspective, what are some of the changes that you have observed in yourself, in your career, in your day-to-day work, in your life after completing this program?
I think my some colleagues as well as my friends also observed that. They told me now I am more focused, more confident, and that lead to increase in a performance in my work also. Because at that time, as due to lack of clarity, so I was thinking that I will change job and I will choose another path. I will do some other course. So I was not confused. So these things actually diverting my mind. So now after the course, I able to focus on my work actually, and actually we together prepared my skill development program. We just prepared we identified our skill gaps, and based on that we prepared development program. So slowly but steadily I am also trying to make a development in those areas, as well as I am just using that daily routine rituals also every day. So that is also very powerful, and I think that is also leading to increase career clarity plus daily rituals plus I am just doing every day, I am doing something for my personal improvement. So all this has lead to increase in my confidence. As well as now I can observe that this has lead to increase in my reputation image also in the mind of other employees in my company.
Very nice.
And I completed some tasks very successfully, because this year actually I rated as a outstanding performer actually.
Oh, congratulations.
And my increment is
so what you're saying is that
highest in my country, that increment I got. And I think
wonderful. I'm really happy to hear that. First of all, congratulations
for
get this outstanding performance recognition. Go ahead. You want to say something? Please complete.
Yes, because actually, really, Sushant sir, what you are doing now, so actually that is a service to the society, and that's help people actually to find their jobs. And if you are helping someone to find their path and to get his life sorted, so this is a service to society. This is I will not say this is not business, also this is not a profession. This is a service to society.
Thank you.
And you will get a lot of this, even if in terms of money, but people will 1,000 times or lakhs times they will get money in return. But money is only on one factor. But they will get a confidence, they will get a motivation, their life will be sorted, and it will lead to improvement in their personal and professional life also. So they will actually get a lot of things actually.
Wonderful.
So you will get a fantastic returns. Beyond your imagination, you will get a returns actually. If you get a career clarity, especially that skill development plan and daily rituals, so these are very powerful actually.
Yeah.
So everyone can really, do anything what you want.
Ninad, you are an action taker, right? So that's something I always appreciated. You are committed to completing all the tasks, and that's one of the reasons you are even to this day you are practicing the daily success ritual. You are working on training your mind. So that is what is producing the results. I'm really happy to hear that your performance has improved, your mindset shift has happened. So you are now operating in that success mindset zone. You know what skills to acquire, and more importantly, you have the clarity in terms of what you want to achieve 3 years from now. What is the direction and destination in your career, right? So I'm really happy to hear these transformations.
Yes,
in fact, that is the objective behind designing this program, and somebody like you is a testimony that it works, right? That it produces results. So thank you for sharing your transformation, your wins.
Yes.